Hey guys, so this was an old video that I recovered, and basically we're doing the Buckle Up for the People build, running Buckle Up for the People. Obviously, I ran Dead Hard as well, and I was also running We're Gonna Live Forever. So I just wanted to make this intro really short, so I hope you enjoy the video, and I'll be there. And disclaimer, I was really sick.
Oh yeah.
What now?
Huh?
Did you say?
Yes, sir. Oh shit, it's a pig! Oh, come on, bro. 6-meter power, bro. I'm upstairs. We're upstairs. I'm not dropping recon power. What's the point, bro? Oh, hello! Fuck! What? I know. Oh my god, I'm gonna kill you, bro.
What's going on?
You were
What's going on?
actually...
What? I don't understand what's going on here.
I already get a strap off.
Oh. Wait.
This is not what I expected the first match. Hey, you can never play on, I just got it off first. And then I'll go to, let's get out of here. I use my med kit, I'm good. I have dead arm, by the way.
Your ass back here. Oh fuck.
Alright, just cook.
You respecting for.
Alright, I'll tell you,
Oh, let him cook. Oh, I need 4 people, okay? Down here. Come down here.
I get the heal off.
You can borrow your up down here?
Oh, fuck. Let's go, bro. Big fat thing. Oh, yeah. Dude, that shit sick. Alright, I'm down here still. I'm near the other window with the table on it. Alright, here, hide. I'll go down. Alright, let's go! Oh yeah, let's go! Come on! Alright, I'll cook. Alright, kid. You fell into a trap. Now I will cook. I have to lose these rooms. Oh, that'd be meanwhile. Oh, fuck, we're getting numbed off of that. I go down. I got a medium vault. Good. Okay, I don't understand. Heal up, and, she's space camping. Oh god, she hates me. You're gonna have to take a hit. You might have to take a hit, Sage. Thank you. Alright, I'm out of here. She is, she hates my guts, bro. Tell me she's camping. I won't go through it even if I have a trap on my head. Hey, look what these people won't. Oh, fuck. I'm dead. You're going after me. I do have dead hard. I can't save you. You're gonna let me Jake.
I don't understand what's going on here.
I don't have to get maybe if they can help me out quick enough.
Yeah. My trap's
Whatever you do not go down.
I'll try not to. But I have a trap on my head.
Leon got scared. Then. He's coming back.
To me. I hate this trap. Get it off first try again. I love that. Fuck.
I'm running white.
Oh, fuck. Yeah, does not like me for some reason. Oh fuck, she's pretty damn close. I don't know where though. Oh, hi, pig. Oh, there's no pallet here. Fuck. Alright, big spoons. We'll update that again. Oh, fuck! Oh my god. Stop it, bro. Oh, this ace is a god. I can get you.
Look.
Do I get you?
Oh, she's coming back.
Fuck it. Alright, you're welcome. Alright, thank you. Go, 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 go. You gotta get the fuck out of here.
Oh.
Oh, she's coming for us. I'll take chase. I have that hard. Alright, she wants me.
Yeah, I
She wants
don't.
me. Perfect. Oh, no, she wants you. She wants you. I'll take it that hard.
Me or you? She's like,
Where the fuck? She's crashing. Alright, I am not fucking do a dead hard. Yeah, fat dead hard play. Oh my fucking god, she respected the shit out of it. You know how I lasted long? Leaving the fucking loop. That's all I did. Alright, Hunter's trickster check. None of them kill us? Alright, made it. Perfect.
It's a demo.
Oh my god. It is.
If his portals are in a bad spot, he's there. I don't put them. It is.
Stop keep blocking.
A little bit confused.
Well, I don't know what the fuck just happened.
He says be careful. Can I get a cute little heal, please? Just cheeky heal? I fuck this one myself. Hey, heal yourself, please. Son of a bitch, get back in my shoe line.
Drop that, he's pretty fucking good. Oh, what the fuck am I getting stuck on? Oh my god.
Good job. Ready isn't as easy as it looks. It's really hard to do.
Where'd he go?
There you go.
Oh, he's right here.
Ooh, that's kind of small.
And you pop right into that one.
Well, not the tractor, not the driver.
But
That was fast. Good. Gotta drop that. Okay, we've all got. I go down here. We're actually.
oh, you're getting
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, you definitely see below.
That killed me up. Oh, fuck. Next freaking chase. Victoria really should take this. What is it? What is it?
Is Victoria or
Victoria.
is done?
Yeah, I know.
Holy
I
shit,
said
that was scary.
I'm not even on it.
Fuck,
I'll
I'm
check
using.
that.
Where is he going?
Look for the other thing.
The one at me and Jack, and then that one in the bottom. And then there should be another one
Yeah,
somewhere.
that's a free gen. That's gonna be a free gen. I'm not, I 99 the other one. The one.
He just keeps going back and forth.
He's on me. Nope, he didn't see me. Get on the jet.
Trying to give him pressure.
Please have potential energy on.
I'm just kidding.
I'll do it for the people. Oh, the Toyota is fucking juicing his ass up.
Motherfucker. Isaac, you up? Come here.
No, I just finished that one gen. Should I finish it?
Just do
Let me go
it.
see if it's been popped. Let me go see if it's been popped.
There's one here too. Yeah, that's a 3 gen.
I'm gonna see if it's. I'm gonna set at my gen. No, mine is still 99. Should we take the 3
Trying to 3
gen?
gen.
Should we take the 3
No,
gen?
no, no. Alright, let's do it. Since he's not going to the other gen, we'll go to the corner. Just stop it. And let's do this one.
Fuck him. Fuck him.
Look at him. He's coming right back.
No,
He's not.
yeah,
He
he's
is.
coming right back. Oh, they're fucking juiced. I juiced them pretty fucking hard. Second stage, right?
For it. Come over here, right?
Oh, he's actually going for a down.
Dare go down, Isaac.
Oh, fuck. I got down. Never mind, I fucking juked his ass.
Come back over here. I'm over here still.
He's fucking on you.
That was 99. Like
Oh,
9
he's
spots.
healing,
Not
he's healing
99. Just pop the damn gen, Isaac.
Alright. He's on me.
Over that one, so just juice and I'll get this gen back.
Alright. Nah.
Probably at like 50%.
I'm back
Unless
to
he has overcharge or something.
Wait, he damaged
God
that gen?
damn.
He damaged that gen?
Yeah, he did.
Well,
He
whatever,
makes
you
this
know?
freaking sound whenever he damages the gen.
I'm healing. We're healing up. Oh no, he didn't do that. I'll pop the TNL one. Alright, I'll pop that TNL one.
Oh, bitch. Never mind.
We're in the fucking 3 gen.
He's going back to the den.
What, the TNL?
Still a little lower than 75. Maybe 70%.
Alright.
Yeah, that's not missing. That's like 65.
Maybe Vittorio has potential energy. I know he does. He might have it on him.
What you flick this, bro? Goddamn. I'll take the shot.
I'm doing the gen. Get on it.
Oh, damn,
Please
stacked
have
on.
potential energy. We get the gen, we get the gen. We get the gen.
I don't have a adrenaline.
Fuck, I'm coming.
Jesus.
Vittorio
was
can do the gen.
Sexy. Goddamn. Stack top's gone, by the way.
Alright. He's coming to me. Ah! Massive 3 gen. I might have no head. I got you, bro. I got you. Vittorio's gonna get the gate. Go down at the.
It's not a good spot against demo.
I can see it for you. You did not go the long way.
Fuck it, fuck. Isaac, please. You get beat it.
Other way. He's just gonna go after you.
Hit. What happened to the hit? Come back.
I can't. He's not hitting me. Take that one. You get that window. Oh yeah. You know where the gate is. You know where the gate is, right? I'll take it. Okay, I'll die.
You don't have to get to the gate. Get to the gate.
Alright. Oh, I don't think I make it. Just leave, you leave.
Make it, I make it.
Leave.
God damn.
Leave.
Are you,
Leave.
you make it alright?
Yeah, leave.
He's
No, I
not
don't.
taking
No, I
it
don't.
out.
I don't make it out. I don't make it out. Wait, is there another hit? Is there another hit? Yes, I'm out! I'm out! Oh my god! That was fucking tense. Oh god!
I've got herpes from a booty call. I got syphilis from a blow up doll. I got chlamydia, and it's so